The inspiration for a project can come from any number of sources. For my next project that I'm working on, a personal project, it came from a BBC show, All Creatures Great and Small. It's Siegfried Farnan's desk that he has in his office. It's kind of a take on the drop front desk, but instead of just being a plain drop front desk or one that has a huge over-the-top secretary covering on it, it's just got this small glass door bookcase on it. Really cool design. Now, I don't want to build an exact copy of it, but I do want something that's inspired by it. And as I was looking through a few of the other projects that I've built and worked on, and then some things that I saw on my recent trip to England, I've picked up a few design motifs that I want to carry on into this desk. So there's things like having an upper gallery shelf, because the top of a project, stuff's going to get set on it, so why not make it a dedicated shelf with sides and a back? I kind of like this cutout that we did on a project here at Woodsmith, and I taught for a class. Really nice look. The English style of like a board and batten doors and nails and that kind of stuff really appeals to me. I did a nightstand that had little cutouts in the side, so that kind of plays with that other motif we were talking about. The idea of working with solid wood. I was looking at a place in England called Jack Badger. They do doors and joinery and some kitchen stuff, and I found some of their images of their pieces that looked inspirational. Not that I want to do a direct copy of it, but stuff that looked really good. I had somebody tell me that it looked kind of vaguely hobbity and that was all exciting, and I'm all in for that. So I think I'll do that. Now from there, what I did is I wanted to kind of nail down what the size of this was going to be. So based on some things that I had, I did some sketching on a big sheet of cardboard here. Most desks have a working height about 29, 30 inches high. So I went with that as my baseline. The case is going to be about 17, maybe 18 inches deep altogether. If you pull up a desk, it looks low, but no, it's actually kind of the right size for working at it. So from there, I started working up and down. So I knew what the rest of the case was going to be down for size. Slant front, I don't want too much of a cavern back here to lose stuff. And then from there, I went to the upper bookcase sized for kind of standard books that I have in that size. And that leaves a shelf at the top and then my gallery shelf up at the very cap of the project. So this is the overall footprint of it. I worked on a few sketches to kind of nail down what I wanted for the side profile. And then I'm a terrible drawer because I'm a writer, but I did some sketching for like what the top of the case would look like or where the side slope, the drop front kind of comes in. Once I found something that I sort of liked, it's kind of based off of this one right there, that little mini guy. Then I went for front views to see what my options were on that, whether, you know, board and batten doors or frame and panel doors, maybe just an open shelf and not doors up at top. You know, do I want like thick face frame kind of running down the side? All of these can kind of mix and match. I'm not sure I'm entirely settled on any one of those, but I have enough to get started on the construction of it. We'll see what happens next.